everyone! In this video, I will share with you a software that helps you send automated mass messages on the Twitter X platform. This software allows you to manage and use multiple accounts simultaneously without worrying about your account being locked by the platform. You need to prepare the content for your message in advance. This content can be text, images, or videos. Next, you need to find the messaging function. You can send messages to your profile page list, your list of people you follow, or people who are following you. I have prepared a list of profile pages here. You can contact our support staff to have this list prepared for you. Next, you need to set the number of messages to send for each account. And choose the content to send. You can enter the content directly here or select it in the content management section. Finally, select your account list and press Start to begin. You'll see the software automatically logs in, automatically retrieves information, and automatically sends messages to customers. You won't have to do anything else until the task is complete. If you have any questions, you can message me via WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you and see you again.